This is the Meerkat In with freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade. Hey, let's talk about two trades that we had in the Grok Star trading room this morning on a stock that was already up 595% when the market opened, and it was on TBRA. TBRA was going to be taken over by Allergent, and kind of a weird price, 28 bucks plus some credits or whatever. So here it was at opening, and it was up 595% when it opened. Rocketed up, did a bull pennant. We missed that as it broke out from there, and that was doing a bull flag. Want to know about these formations? Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our free chart school there. But it set a trade right above this upper resistance line here, and let's see what happened next. And boom, look at that, it popped right up there, and I got long at 35.61. 35.61 was my fill as this broke out there, and then we was setting our stop right down here underneath this resistance line and support line, and it was running up here. Now this doesn't look like much, folks, but it is already up here over almost 2% at this point, or 1.7% at this point. So let's remove that line and let's keep on going here. So it was stalled here for a little while, so I went ahead and I took out half here at 36.24 for 1.7% on the first half. Just because it stalled and I didn't know it already run up a lot, right? And look at this, boom, 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 boom. Holy Nelly, look at that. So I'm bringing my stop and I'm bringing it up along this 8 EMA, this thin red line here, 8 exponential moving average, and then my stop is just following that right up here, and it is just rocketing up, and bam, look at that. That's a huge candle, folks. Let's see here, what is it? That is a 4% drop. 4% drop on that one candle alone. 4% drop right there, and it stopped me out at 38.74 for 8.7% on the second half of this first trade. So again, let's take a look at this. It was a bull flag and it broke out. I took out half when it stalled, and then it just rocketed up there, and as it smashed down here, total trade was 5.2% for 18 minutes. Now let's take a look here what the next setup is. I'm already starting to draw it in here because it was after the fact. I could draw it in here now, and it was in a bull pennant. Now bull pennant is like a bull flag in that it runs up, and although it's in a symmetrical triangle here. So I set a trade up above the $39 mark, and let's see what happened here. And boom, there she goes, and it popped up, and I got in at $39.24. I'm now long on TBRA and the second trade, and then look at that, it just high based here right at my entry point for a long time, and I just kept a stop right below this 20 moving average. That's the green line, and then it broke out, boom, hit its head right there at $41. At 41, just sitting right there. And look at that. I decided at this point I was going ahead and I took out half here at $41.15 for 4.8% on that first half. So bringing my stop up underneath this 8 EMA again, because if a sucker drops, it's probably going to drop hard. And sure enough, bam, look at that, kabam, that's about a 2% drop, and that stopped me out at $40.54 for 3.2% on that second half of the second trade. So again, let's take a look at this trade, in that we were in this symmetrical triangle, also known as a bull pennant, and when it broke out, I got in. And as soon as it stalled up here just above that $41 mark, I went ahead and I took out half, and then when it dropped below the 8 EMA, I was out again. This total trade was for 4.0% in 15 minutes. By the way, now it is up almost 700% on the day, and then it's proceeded to start, that was ended up being the high of day, and it's been falling back since then. So we made some other trades on it. If you want to trade with us in the Grok Star trading room, this would have been the two best trades of our day today. You can, 30 days for free. Just go to our site, groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com, and go up to where it says Grokstar chat room. And if you can be in front of the market from 9:30 to about 12 o'clock here Eastern time, you're welcome to join us here. Here's what you get in the room. We work together on what stocks we're going to focus on at opening, and that was our number one stock today, by the way. And here I am trading right there. You can even see what some people had to say about our room right there. And right down here, 30 days for free. 30 days for free. Come check us out. Hey, if it works for you, stick around. And if it doesn't, well, it isn't going to cost anything but your time. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that if you're going to fly a kite, you're going to first check the direction of the wind. If you're going to trade, you have to first check the direction of the markets. Trade well.